In this video, I am going to show you how to enter Tesla service mode and access the service mode menu in your Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or other Tesla models. The service mode menu is primarily intended for technicians to diagnose and troubleshoot issues, but some advanced users may find it helpful for specific tasks. Start by parking your Tesla and turning off the vehicle completely. Ensure the car is in a safe location, as entering service mode may disable certain features temporarily. Next, hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen. Once the system reboots, press and hold the brake pedal and accelerator pedal simultaneously while powering on the car. This combination typically triggers the service mode menu to appear on the touchscreen. Alternatively, if you're using the Tesla app, you can enable transport mode, which is sometimes confused with service mode. Transport mode is used when transporting the vehicle and disables certain functions like rolling restrictions. To activate it, go to the Tesla app, select your car, and navigate to Controls. Software. Transport mode. Keep in mind that some service mode features are restricted to authorized Tesla technicians and require a special login or credentials to access advanced diagnostics. If you're not familiar with these tools, avoid making changes that could affect your vehicle's performance. If you need service mode for troubleshooting purposes, consider contacting Tesla support or scheduling a service appointment. They can guide you through the process or perform diagnostics directly. If this video helped you learn how to enter Tesla service mode, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.